Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be swapping out the stock air filter for the Grimmspeed air filter. I did see good reviews about this on YouTube and I did see a few TikToks about it. It's supposed to add like 9 torque, 6 horsepower. And supposedly on the videos I did see on YouTube, you could hear the turbo a little bit more. But I don't know. I'm just doing it for reliability because I haven't swapped mine at all. So, fuck it, let's get to this. Alright guys, now that we got the engine bay open, we just have to take off these two pop-up clips, this one and this one. Then we will be able to take this one off, and that way we can unclip these and it'll give us access to the air box to replace the air filter. Alright guys, I did run into some trouble with the air filter. I did have to remove this piece right here. It just has 2 bolts and it goes 2 right here, and then the one we removed earlier which went in the air box. So yeah, I took this off and now I have more space, more room to take off the stock air filter. Alright guys, here you guys go. You got the stock air filter right here. It is dirty as fuck, honestly. Look, it's just musty, bro. It's just dirty. I have not changed the stock air filter at all. I haven't replaced it at all, so good thing we're changing it right now. Alright guys, you guys got the Grimmspeed right here. You got red and you got some gray. Yeah guys, this is low-key dope. Build quality is good. I like it. Alright, let's put this on now. Just goes in. We got the Grimmspeed air filter in there. We got the old one right here. That shit's trash for sure. Alright, now let's put everything back on. Okay, and put those right there. Alright guys, now that we got the new air filter in, let's just turn on the car, let it run for a moment, and let's see if we notice anything different. Alright guys, I don't see anything different. I don't see no check engine light, nothing. Just warming up the car real quick. From what I can tell right now, I can't hear anything much. Probably because the exhaust is too loud, but I don't know. We'll do some pulls right now. Take out the car for a bit, let it warm up, and see if we can hear any little like turbo spool. Guys, that's it for today's video. Just let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the air filter, any recommendations of you guys. want to hear or what else you guys want to see like on the channel. I'll be trying to post more consistent. I know I've been slacking hella, but I'll try to be more consistent. I have been busy, so I'll see. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just drop a like, subscribe, and then I'll catch you guys next time.